Watch out.
Side nothing in front of me. None.
How this man do this a style?
Off, you sit back and exit the vehicle.
Forward.
Exit the vehicle, please.
Yo!
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla. Hey, welcome my people. Dancehall skilla there again. Blessed manners and respect each and everyone. Okay, so I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a person spit inside of a motor vehicle. My people, let me present the video to you and then I'm going to point out certain things about the situation and what I see in the video. Observe with me. Oh, and the viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
You sign up with me, man. I can tape all you want, or I can tape my one side I can come. I don't care. You can go ahead and tape. Now I beg so. I say so. Beg and out at time, man. You fact because I tell you sign up in front of me. No. Yeah, because the cold take him a joke. Hey, I'm not the cold. I never spit on the officer. The cold. I never spit on the officer. The cold.
Now, I notice me here, the person who can see in the video said a word that sounds like officer. Might not be exactly the same. I notice something upon the person's hands in a way. You understand me, people? All of that may I point out. Plus, me hear what some people might call siren. Or siren. Or some people might say, depending on the accent. So what I tell you? Anyways, hey, look how we go. Leave a comment and comments, let me know what you think about that. So, my people, I have more topics I want to talk about, but more to talk about a video that I saw on social media. So, this video shows a motor vehicle in a very bad position. Now, I don't have any confirmed information to determine how the motor vehicle ended up in such a position, but I do have some form of understanding that someone was operating the motor vehicle at one point, and then somehow the motor vehicle went off-road and crashed in such a way and end up in that type of position. Here's the video, my people. See?
How this man do this a style?
I'm wondering how fast that motor
See me too.
and what
Under this.
the real reason as to how that
So the man put create stunt idea that
yeah, look at the look at the color, right? Yeah? Anyways, that's a one topic right there, so. Yes, so that's my people. The next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show some things that happened when a person was being ordered by a law enforcer to exit a motor vehicle during subscribers. In my point of view, the video shows a law enforcer holding a gun, and in my point of view, I think that the law enforcer was holding the gun in the direction of the person. I did not say point. But anyways, the way how the law enforcer was handling the situation is something that I've been thinking during subscribers based on certain words the law enforcer said, but at the same time, the video only shows a certain amount of things that happened, so I don't want to jump to a conclusion. But anyways, let me present this video to you, and you can leave a comment or comments and let me know what you think about this type of situation. I don't have any confirmed information to determine where this video is recorded. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
And you're gonna at me for?
Switch off the engine, please.
The engine off.
Switch off, take off, you sit back and exit the vehicle.
Forward.
Exit the vehicle, please.
Forward.
Exit the vehicle, please.
For what?
Exit the vehicle.
Forward.
Exit the vehicle.
For what?
Rest your hands on top of the vehicle, please.
Why?
Rest your hands on top of the vehicle.
Forward.
Rest both hands on the vehicle, please.
For what?
Rest your hands on top of the vehicle, please.
I look like a
Both hands on top of the vehicle, ma'am.
Well,
Both hands on the vehicle.
don't touch me. Don't.
So based on what you see in that video, do you think the law enforcer was handling the situation properly or not? Leave your comment or comments, let me know what you think, your subscribers. Oh, I also saw another video that shows some things that happened when a person was being detained or held by a law enforcer for subscribers. Yeah, I got the understanding that this video has been posted on social media claiming to be about the same situation as well. See, a part of the video shows when the law enforcer somewhat kicked at the person's 2 feet while trying to detain the person and so on, and the person somewhat went down to the ground and so forth. So me ask my people, so let me present this video to you also so that you can have a better understanding about that situation. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. So,
there's some action down in Carney. Man ruffling up his poor girl. What's wrong with him?
Hold on.
Just another example of police not being able to handle anything.
So, at that point, based on what we see, I wonder if that was necessary at that point. But anyways, that's set away, right? So basically, if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, people, I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that are going to show some things that happened when 2 persons who was holding objects was trying to hurt each other. And I mean that these persons were trying to hurt each other by somewhat moving towards each other with the intention to hit each other with objects that they had the intention to use as weapons. You see, my people? Now, I got the understanding that there was some type of disagreement between those persons. Yeah, I got that much of an understanding. But in my point of view, the violence was not necessary. No. I mean, they could have just talked over their differences. Now, when it comes down to a situation like that, same, me I tell you this, me, now go in between them, the persons that go try to say me and stop not now what, no, me I go stay far. See, but I rather call the police because based on certain things I'm seeing those pieces of videos, me see danger. Objects were thrown, viewers, subscribers. Objects were thrown. Let me present these pieces of videos still. I don't have any confirmed information to determine where these pieces of videos are recorded. And in my point of view, some persons might look at this type of situation a certain way, but overall, I think the whole situation was wrong. Leave your comment or comments, let me know what you think. The viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Observe.
Yo, y'all focus, why? Yo! You see this man here, boy? Y'all focus, boy, yo! Y'all focus, boy! You see this man here, boy? They see this man in here, boy. This Stacy. Scott Stacy here, man. I'm telling you.
Me not even go near this one.
Russia fucking come. Russia come.
I bet they call it police.
Hey. You got set?
This one.
Chill, you are put you down. Real thing I tell this guy. I would kill you.
The type of things that those persons were.
Your mother. Right, big I know. One scale, never two. One scale.
Watch out, watch out. Eh? Objects. Scrolls. I mean, so I wonder how long those persons were somewhat behaving those ways towards each other. I mean, rain start fall. Look. Why is it that there are some people who have certain amount of hatred in their heart towards maybe one or some persons? In my point of view, based on what we say in a video, it seems as if one person was behaving more aggressive than the other. And see, all that me look at, but it is set out. Peace, love, and unity to each and every one. Please try your best to talk over your differences. If you can't talk over your differences, then just stay away from each other. Violence do not solve nothing. Here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and everyone. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.